Okay, students, now we will look a few questions in exercise 16. This will end the topic of solving linear equations. In this exercise, you can see that the equations are in the form of a fraction, and the unknown variable x is either in the denominator or in the numerator, and we have to rearrange the equations to work out the value of x. So let's start. Question number 1, 7 over x is equal to 21. So first approach here is times both sides by x. And this approach, I say it eliminating the denominators. So if I multiply both sides by x, you can see that this x and x cancels out, and we get 7 is equal to 21x. And now dividing both sides by 21, you will get x is equal to 7 over 21, and you can simplify it to 1 over 3. So therefore x is equal to 1 over 3. The other approach for solving the same question could be cross multiplication. Because there is a single term on one side of the equation, this is one term, 7 divided by x, and a single term on the other side of the equation, we can perform the cross multiplication. So 21 can be written as 21 over 1, and now multiply in cross. So it will give you x multiplied by 21, which will give you 21x, and 7 times 1 is 7. So x is equal to 7 over 21, which is again 1 over 3. So you can opt whichever approach you want to use. Similarly, in the next question, question number 7, x over 4 is equal to x over 2. So the number which is divisible by 4 and 2 is 4. So that is our least common multiple. So times both sides by 4. Remember that we need to eliminate the denominators. So 4 cancels 4, we get x, and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, we get 6. So x is equal to 6. Also, you can perform cross multiplication here because there is a single term on one side and a single term on the other side of the equation. So performing cross multiplication, you will get x times 2 is 2x, and 4 times 3 is 12. And now dividing both sides by 2, you will get x is equal to 6. So again, whichever approach you want to use, you can use the approach to solve the question. In the next question, question number 9, again, we have 3 and 4 in the denominator. So 12 is their least common multiple because both 3 and 4 are divisible by 12 is divisible by both 3 and 4. So both sides, multiply both sides by 12. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and hence we eliminate the denominator. So 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 3 into x minus 1. So 4x plus 4, when you open the bracket, 3x minus 3. Collect x on one side, 4x minus 3x is x, and minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Again, if you want to use the cross multiplication approach, you can do it because x plus 1 whole divided by 3 is a single term, and x minus 1 whole divided by 3 also is a single term. Remember that to perform cross multiplication, there must be single terms on both sides. So now you can perform the cross multiplication. So this one is 4. So 4 multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to 3 multiplied by x minus 1. Open the brackets and you can see that again you will get x is equal to minus 7 as your final answer. Next question, question number 16. Again, if you want to perform cross multiplication, you can do the cross multiplication. So x minus 1 into 1 is x minus 1, and 2 into 1 is 2. So x minus 1 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 plus 1, which is 3. That is your final answer. Or if you want to eliminate the denominator approach, 2 over x minus 1 is equal to 1. So what is our denominator here? The denominator is x minus 1. So multiplying both sides by x minus 1. Okay, so this and this cancels each other. So 2 is equal to 1 into x minus 1, which is x minus 1. So x is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3. So again, I solved the question using both the approaches. Now question number 17. So first of all, the denominators are 3 and 2, and their least common multiple is 6. So times each and every term by 6. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, you'll get 2x. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, you'll get 3x is equal to 4 6 are 24. So 2x plus 3x is 5x is equal to 24. Dividing both sides by 5, x is equal to 24 over 5. Or if you want to write it down in the mixed fraction, 5 fours are 20, 4 is the remainder, and 5. So that is our final answer. Now let's have a look into this question again. X over 3 plus x over 2 is equal to 4. Can we use the cross multiplication procedure here? Here we cannot use that procedure, because on this side we have two terms. Okay, because x over 3 plus x over 2, as soon as the terms are added together, they are no more a single term. They are two separate terms. So x over 3 plus x over 2, so this is one term, this is second term, so we cannot perform the cross multiplication. If you want to perform the cross multiplication, you have to simplify this first. So LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, so 3 times 2 is 6, so 2x, 2 times 3 is 6, so 3x is equal to 4. So we have 5x over 6 is equal to 4 over 1. And now if you want to perform the cross multiplication, you can do that. 5x is equal to 6 fours are 24, or x is equal to 24 over 5. So remember always, cross multiplication is a very good and simple way of solving these sort of questions. But the condition is that there must be a single term on one side and there must be a single term on the other side. So like in this question number 21, this is a single term and this is a single term. 5 whole divided by x minus 1 is a single term, is equal to 10 over x is a single term. So if I have written down here, for example, plus 2, now this is no more a single term. On this side we have two terms now, so the cross multiplication would not be possible. But in the present case, yes, you can perform the cross multiplication if you want to. So you'll get 5 into x is 5x is equal to 10 into x minus 1. So 5x is equal to 10x minus 10. So collect x on one side, 5x minus 10x is minus 5x is equal to minus 10. Divide both sides by minus 5. So x is equal to 2. Or if you want to do this question without doing the cross multiplication and using the approach of eliminating the denominator approach, you can still do that. Our denominators are x and x minus 1. Okay, so we have to multiply both sides by x and x minus 1. X and x minus 1. Remember that we want to eliminate the denominator. Here x minus 1 and x minus 1 cancels out, and here x and x cancels out. So you will get 5 into x on one side, which is 5x, and 10 into x minus 1 on the other side, which is same like that. And of course, solving this one, you'll get x is equal to 2 as your final answer. Okay, in this question again, you cannot perform the cross multiplication here because you can see one term plus second term. So there are two terms on one side, so you cannot do the cross multiplication. What we can do then, we can eliminate the denominators. So our denominators are 2, 3, and 6 is the common divisor. So our least common multiple is 6, multiplying each and every term on both sides by 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. You'll get 3 into x plus 1 plus 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 2 into x minus 1, and 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, so 1. And now simplify it, 3x plus 3 plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 1. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 3 minus 2 is plus 1 is equal to 1. So 5x is equal to 1 minus 1, which is 5x is equal to 0. Dividing both sides by 5, x is equal to 0. That is our answer. So you can see that in solving these equations, which are in the form of a fraction, you have two ways of solving this one. You can use cross multiplication if possible, okay? And the other way is, which is very, very convenient way, that is eliminating the denominator. As soon as you eliminate the denominator, you will find a simple equation in front of you to solve. And then you can use the normal approach to solve that equation. Thank you.